Do I need to have a newsletter?
Do you need to have a TikTok? Do you need to have a Twitter account? Do you need to have a LinkedIn account? Do you need to have a YouTube channel? The answer to all of these is no, you don't. You don't need to do anything that you don't actually want to do. Should you use YouTube? Should you use TikTok? Should you use Twitter? Again, depends. I don't know your situation. I don't know your scenario. And everybody is always getting caught up on what the latest trend is. Yes, newsletters right now have never been hotter. Substack is taking off. Newsletters are taking off. People are quitting their jobs to start full-time newsletters. There could never be a better time to run a newsletter. But you might already have a handful of items that you have on your checklist. You might already have a strategy that you've carved out for your niche and for your business. So yes, I will say newsletters are an opportunity, but so is TikTok, so is Reddit, so is Quora, so is Twitter, so is Facebook, so is LinkedIn. The opportunities that exist because of the internet are plentiful. The key is to find that opportunity that works well for you. That's the key. So think about it from that perspective rather than thinking about it from oh, this is hot right now, so I'm going to jump on it. Look for the channels that can move the needle in the way that you need to, that aligns with your vision, and then go there. Remember, it's better to be good on one channel than mediocre on many.